CoreOne INDX dock sensor test. I'm going to connect the 15 dock sensors to an ESP32 that gets told by the printer what dock to expect to next go empty. Pickup of dock 10. Now empty. Occupied again. Picking up a different tool while taking off dock 10. Error picked up, which should pause the print. Next stage is to try it with the real print going on.